Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am here to do a video of my favorite cleaning products. That's what I'm gonna be showing y'all today. I'm gonna be showing y'all my favorite cleaning products I use. These are products that I do use, and I will let you know where I get them from. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, one of my favorite products I love using is the Gay Alta Original Scent dishwashing liquid. Now, I only buy this at Dollar General, and I can get it for about $2. Depends on where I go. I could get this for about $2, so I'll always buy two of these. I always buy this is the original scent, or I will get the purple one or the blue one. So yes, this is one of my favorite products right there. Now we have two air freshener spray. So the first one is the Glade Spray Lavender and Peach Blossom Spray. So if they don't have this, then I go for the other one. But I also have this one, so yes. So it's one of my favorite, and this is my favorite scent to use, y'all. This is one of my favorite, and I can always get these at Family Dollar Family Dollar or Walmart. I can always get it at Family Dollar for $1, and I can always get it at Walmart for 98 cents. So yeah. Now the other spray I recently started using because of my aunt purchased this is the Febreze Air linen and sky spray. Oh my god, I love this. I love the smell of it. It makes my anytime I spray this, and then if I spray this over the vent, it brings it pushes the scent up. So yeah, it's pretty good. I do recommend this, and you can and it's also best for you not to shake it. So yes, it is a good air freshener. So yeah, I actually like the scent. With a odor clearer element. It's with odor clearer technology. So yeah, so that's one of my products, and I know for you can get that from Walmart, and I think that product is about $2 or $3. So yes, a pretty good product. Now let's see what I want to start with. Okay. Now this is you can use this. I use this in the kitchen and bathrooms for jobs. So I won't spray it in the kitchen sink, but I would spray on the countertops or the my shower head. I spray on my shower head or on countertops mostly that I use this on, and it's a pretty good Mr. Clean, and it gets it spick and span, and it gets it clean. Now think I know for a fact you can get this from Family Dollar, and I think I got this from Family Dollar for about $4. So yeah, so that's a good product. Now, this product I've been having and I've been using. I gradually switch out and stuff, but this is the LA Total Awesome All-Purpose Cleaner, Disinfect and Spot Remover. It actually puts cleaning power into the water, and I have it in cherry blossom, and you can use this on the walls, trash cans, wood walls, doorknobs, and furniture. Depends on what type of furniture. You also can use this on tubs, showers, shower heads, sinks, and toilets, stove top, countertops, cabinets, sinks, and appliances. But I mostly use this in the kitchen, and I use it on the countertops. One of my favorite. This is one of my favorite things to use. Now, before I get to my top best thing, I want to show you one of my empties, and this is the Clorox Sanavi Bathroom Disinfectant Cleaner, and this is the Pacific Breeze and Coconut Clorox, and this is pretty good. I spray this in my shower, in my shower, in my tub, and it get it spick and span clean. So y'all, I think I purchased this for about $5 and something at Walmart. I know I got it from Walmart, but I know I got it for about $5 and something. So yeah, so now we're getting to some of my favorite products I love using. So let's get started. So one of the first things is the Lysol kills 99% bacteria. Clean and fresh multi surface cleaner. It's a cool air Scott scent. Now this is the big one, and I know for a fact I got this. I think this came from Walmart for about $4 and something. So yeah, but I know for a fact you can find this also in Family Dollar for about, I think, $4 or $5 at Family Dollar. So it's one of my best products. I love using. I use stuff like this to actually clean out the countertops in the bathroom. So yes, so this is a pretty good item I like to use. Now I have two more Lysol things, and these things I get little bottles, and I actually spray. Let me say, I spray down I spray down my floors. I've been doing that for the last few weeks, so tonight I will be doing it again. And one of my favorite ones, before I start with that, let me start with this first one. I have used this one, it's just having this one's not open. So this is the Lysol Clean Fresh Hawaii Sunset Necessity, and this smells pretty good and everything. So, yeah, so this is one that I would use. Now, this is the one I've been using a lot of in the kitchen, and this is the Lysol Clean Fresh Spick Sparkly Lemon Plum Flower Accessory Lysol, and I love using this. And those are some things I like to use, but I'm fin to start a new treatment now. My best places, I will let me give you some tips. My best places to actually literally get more you can get great products for your buck is, I say, Family Dollar and Dollar Tree. When it comes to Dollar Tree, you can find this size at Dollar Tree, and you can get 4 or 5 of them for $1. And think, what else you can get? You can get air fresheners. Some of the air fresheners for $1. You can find I know for a fact you can find the Glade at Dollar Tree, but it's it's one of my favorite items that I can get at Dollar Tree, but Family Dollar and Dollar Tree is my good place. I love to go buy cleaning products with. Um, Sometimes I will pick up things from Walmart and things, but um, it depends on where you go, and sometimes you can say, oh, if you got like coupons or anything, let's say you got Kroger coupons, oh my god, that would be a lifesaver and stuff. And everything. So yeah, so if you like this video, please thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.